Man.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I've never seen anything like that, man.
We're out here in Kennewick, Washington today. We're out here to do a demonstration for some of the local police departments on our ballistic windows. One in the chamber, it's ready to go. Okay, go ahead, shooter. All right.
Man.
So that was a 9mm. You can see it didn't bubble.
Well, this window is different from anything else on the market for a couple of reasons. First, it's one-way ballistic, okay? Meaning that if the officer's on the inside of this window, they're protected from fire from the outside, but they can return fire through the window with lethal force. Okay, it's engineered and designed to do just that. The second piece is it's thin enough because of our patented process of building the window, that the window is fully functional. It'll fit inside the door and still function with the motors that roll it up and down. You want to shoot it one more time?
Oh my goodness. Dude, I've never seen anything like that, man. I think it's amazing.
There's two pieces to the window. The outer side diffuses the energy, spreads the energy, and that's what you're seeing here. This is the energy being diffused throughout the whole window. And then this piece is what catches the bullet.